5 years. If you don't want to miss any of the videos uploaded by me, please follow these steps. In your cell phone, open YouTube and in the search box type Shekhar Maths. You will see my photograph in a circle and also a subscribe button. So touch the subscribe button and also touch the bell icon and select all. You will get instant notifications whenever I upload any of my videos. Welcome to Shekhar Maths. Today we are going to learn 6th class Mathematics Semester 2, 8th chapter, Basic Geometric Concepts, Exercise 8.1 Problems. Before going to do the exercise, let us know what are the basic geometric concepts. Let us take point. Point అంటే బిందువు లేదా చుక్క. వీటిని మనము క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్తో సూచిస్తాం. ఏ, బి, సి అండ్ సో ఆన్. పిల్లలకు పేర్లు పెట్టినట్టుగా, జంతువులకు పేర్లు పెట్టినట్టుగా మనం వీటికి క్యాపిటల్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లెటర్స్తో సూచిస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ లైన్. టేక్ ఏ పిక్చర్ ఆఫ్ ఎ లైన్. అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ టూ సైడ్స్ ఆర్ యారో మార్క్. ఈ యారో మార్క్ ఏం డినోట్ చేస్తుందంటే ఇట్ కెన్ బి ఎక్స్టెండెడ్ ఆన్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ అండ్ రైట్ సైడ్ ఎండ్లెస్. దెర్ ఇస్ నో స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్, నో ఎండ్ పాయింట్. There are no end points for a line. And also observe that we can find a infinite number of points A, B, C, D and so on. Next ray, కిరణము. Take a line. ఒక రేఖను తీసుకోండి, మధ్యలో డివైడ్ చేయండి. Then you observe that two rays are formed on left side and right side. Left side ray starting point, initial point is A, and right side ray యొక్క initial point B. So observe that rays have only one initial point and end point there is no end point. Example sun rays, సూర్యుని కిరణాలు ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి? సూర్యుని నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి. And is there any end? No. సూర్యకిరణాలు విశ్వమంతా వ్యాపిస్తాయి. There is no end. Now line segment, రేఖా ఖండము. Take a line and divide it in two parts. That is one A and another B. సో రేఖా ఖండము, రేఖలో ఖండం అంటే భాగం. దెర్ ఆర్ టూ ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్. ఇనిషియల్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ ఏ, ఎండ్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ బి. సో ఏబి అనేది ఒక రేఖా ఖండము. ఇట్ కెన్ బి డినోటెడ్ బై ఏబి బార్. నౌ లెట్ us do exercise 8.1 first problem. In the given figure there are some points marked. Name them. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని బిందువులు ఇచ్చాడు, వాటికి పేర్లు పెడదాము. Now put letter A, first point A, second B, C, D, E, F. All are capital letters. Now number 2, join the points given below. Name the line segments so formed in the figure. Solution. First problem. The line segments are join AB with a line, AB bar, join B and C, BC bar, CD bar, DA bar. Number 2, the line segments in the second figure are join line AB, AB bar, join BC, BC bar, CD bar, DE bar, EF bar, FA bar. Starting from A, AC bar, AD bar, AE bar. And starting from B, BD bar, BE bar, BF bar. Starting from C, CD bar, CE bar, CF bar. Starting from D, DE bar, DF bar, and last EF bar. These are the line segments. Number 3, identify the following from the given figure. Solution. Number 1, any 6 points. They are capital A, capital B, C, D, E, F, G, H and so on. Number 2, any 6 line segments starting with G. GA bar, GC bar, GD bar, GE bar, and then GF bar, GH bar. Next number 3, any 6 rays with initial point I. So IA arrow mark, IB, IC, ID, IH, IJ. Next number 4, any 3 lines, that is 2 sides arrow, AC a line, and also observe that JI, it is also JI. Next AC, also FG, same line, and BD and also IH, BE and also JF. CE and also HG. These are the lines. Next, number 4. Write true or false for the below statements 1, 2, 3, 4. Solution number 1. A line has two endpoints. Take the picture of a line. Observe that there are arrow marks on both sides. So there are no endpoints on the line. So above statement is false. Number 2. Ray is a part of a line. Take a line and divide it in the middle. You observe that there are two rays. So rays are part of line. So above statement is true. Number 3. A line segment has two endpoints. Take a line and divide it in two parts, A and B. So AB bar is a line segment with two endpoints, that is A and B. So above statement is true. Number 4. We can draw many lines through 2 points. Take 2 points A and B. Draw a line through it. We can observe that only one line can be drawn through the two given points. So many lines cannot be drawn. So the above statement is false. Next, number 5. Draw and name 1, 2, 3. Solution number 1. Line containing point K. First, put a point and name it as K and draw a line through it. It is the picture. Next, number 2. Draw a circle and a line, and it should not intersect. Draw a circle and draw a line. They are not touching. So this is the figure. Next, number 2B. Draw a circle and also a line touching the circle at the point A. Just touching. Next, number 2C. Draw a circle and also draw a line cutting the circle at 2 points A and B. Number 3. Draw a line and also a circle. The line intersects the circle at only 2 points A and B, not 3 points. Number 6. List out all capital letters in an English alphabet that you can write with 3 line segments by using all. Solution. Alphabets of 3 line segments are 1, 2, 3 A, 1, 2, 3 F, 1, 2, 3 H, 1, 2, 3 K, 1, 2, 3 N, 1, 2, 3 Z. So these numbers are for line segments. So these are the alphabets with 3 line segments.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe.